Alright, summary of Rhino tutorials for 3D printing. Say you want to build a three-dimensional model in Rhino. So we'll start with something like a basic circle, and we'll put it at the center for now. Let's give it, sure, let's go about there. And then we can do a command called extrude curve. We'll highlight that curve and go ahead and now have this new option to give it some volume, turn it three-dimensional into a cylinder. So let's give it, say, about right there. It looks good. And now we have our basic frame, but this doesn't have any thickness, so we can do something called offset these surfaces. And so say we want to then, bam, highlight these and extrude those. It's going to ask us, do we want it to be solid? Do we want it to flip in and out? So do we want the thickness to go towards the center or towards the outside of the circle? That's towards the center, so let's keep it there. And a solid fill. Bam. Wait. Failed to offset. Let's give it one more shot. We would like all of those. And I want them flipped. Maybe I don't want them flipped. Okay, now we have this huge thing that pushed out the edge of the cylinder quite a bit. Yeah. Little start. This would need much more work, but a couple little things I learned.